kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do algebraic expression and identities. Our learning objectives are algebraic expressions and terms, type of algebraic expressions, addition of algebraic expressions, subtraction of algebraic expression, multiplication of algebraic expression, division of algebraic expression, standard, identity, and applying identities. In our previous class, we have learned and are familiar with the algebraic expression and their operation, addition and subtraction. In this class, we will study the type of algebraic expression, multiplication and division of polynomials. We will also read about the algebraic identities and their application. But before we start, let us review some of the definition and concepts studied in the previous class. So, first is algebraic expression and terms. An algebraic expression is the combination of variable and constant separated by the four basic mathematical symbols, that is plus, minus, multiplication and division. For example, 7x minus 5y, 4x square plus 5x minus 3. Clear? Next is variable and constant. Algebra deal with the variable represented by the letter or letter. A variable may take countless numerical values, but a constant have fixed numerical values. An expression is formed from a variable and or constant. For example, the expression 3x minus 4 is formed from the variable x and constant 3 and 4. The value of an expression change with the value chosen for the variable it contains. जैसी variable की value change होगी, expression की value भी change हो जाएगी. Algebraic expressions are formed by combining variable and constant using the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So, algebraic expression में variable and constant का use होता है. They are separated by the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division side. Next is terms, factor and coefficient. Terms are added to form expression. For example, 3y plus 2 is made up of two terms, 3y and 2. The term is either a variable or a constant or the product of one or more variable and constants such that x, y, 2x, 3x, 1, minus 1, 2, minus 2, etc. Terms themselves can be formed as the product of the factor. The term 3y is the product of its factor, that is 3 and y. The term 2 of the expression 3y plus 2 is made up of just only one factor, that is 2. The numerical factor of the term is called the coefficient. The coefficient in the term 3y is 3 and the coefficient in the term minus 4x is minus 4. The term themselves can be formed as the product of the other term, like 3y is the product of the term 3 and y. The term minus 3y and 2x may form the new term minus 3y into 2x, that is minus 6xy. The term does not have the power of any one of its variable as negative. Thus, 2y upon x equals to 2x की पावर क्या हो जाएगी, माइनस में होगी, ऊपर हो जाएगा y. That is not a term because पावर यहाँ पे क्या हो गई, पावर एक्सपोनेंट नेगेटिव हो गया. An algebraic expression is the combination of term connected by the operation addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. However, it may have only one term. Next is types of algebraic expression. There are four types of algebraic expression according to the number of terms. First is monomial. When an algebraic expression has one term, that is called monomial. Like here, 5x square upon y, only one term is there, so it's a monomial. Next is binomial. When an algebraic expression has two terms, it is called binomial. For example, 6x square plus 3y. So, two terms are there, so it's example of binomial. Next is trinomial. When an algebraic expression has three terms, it is called trinomial. For example, 7xy plus 5x square minus 9. So, three terms are there, 1, 2 and 3. So, it's an example of trinomial. Next is polynomial. When an algebraic expression has more than two terms, it is called polynomial. For example, 9xy plus 8x square minus 7x plus 6. So, more than two terms are, that means it is a polynomial. Next is degree of polynomials. In the case of polynomial with one variable, the degree of polynomial is equal to the largest exponent of variable. Like polynomial 3x square plus 5x plus 3. So, लार्जेस्ट किसकी होगी, x की पावर कितनी है, मैक्सिमम, दैट इज 2, सो डिग्री हो जाएगी 2. हियर वेरिएबल की जो मैक्सिमम पावर है दैट इज 1, सो डिग्री 1. 0 here 6. So in the case of polynomial, the more than one variable, first compute the sum of exponent of the variable present in different term. The highest of these sums represent the degree of polynomial. Consider the following. Polynomial 3x square plus 5x square y cube plus x square. So यहाँ पे 2 है, x की पावर, here 2 plus 3 that is 5. Variable की power 2 plus 3 5 and here that is 2. Now the sum of the exponent term किया हमने, so 5 in x and y, डिग्री क्या हो जाएगी 5 in x and y. Similarly degree of polynomial 2x cube x cube y xy square plus 4xy is 4, and the degree of polynomial x cube y cube 7x6 plus y to the power 2. So 6 plus 2 8 हो जाएगी. Clear? The polynomial having degree 1 and 2 are called the linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial respectively. अगर डिग्री 1 है मीन्स वेरिएबल की हाईएस्ट पावर 1 है, दैट इज कॉल्ड लीनियर क्वाड्रिलेटरल, एंड 2 है तो दैट इज कॉल्ड क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज लाइक एंड अनलाइक टर्म. Term containing the same variable part that is the same letter and same exponent, that is called like term. For example 2x square y and minus 3x square y. So variable here you can say x square y, same. So they are like term. They differ only in the numerical coefficient 2 and minus 3. The order of variable may change in like terms. For example 2x square y is same as 2yx square. So order change हो सकता है but they are same. Clear? And minus 3x square y is same as minus 3yx square, but x square y and xy square they are different. They are not like term because x क्या है square है और वहाँ पे क्या है x. So the term containing different variable part are called unlike term. For example 5xy and 5x, they are unlike term. 5xy has 2 variable and 5x has only 1 variable. Also 4x square and 4x unlike term, they have the same variable but exponent differ. Next is addition of algebraic expression. The numerical coefficient of unlike term cannot be added, so we can only add like terms. We put the unlike term as such separately with positive or negative sign. We collect the term and add their numerical coefficient. For example, the sum of 5 and x is 5 plus x, not 5x, because 5x means 5 multiplied by x. If x equals to 2 and 5 plus x क्या हो जाएगा 5 plus 2 that is 7, but 5 into x means 5 into 2 that is 10. Sum of 4xy, so 4x equals to 4xy plus 4x. Sum of 2xy and minus 3xy, so that is equals to sum of 2xy minus 3xy, so that is equals to 2 plus minus 3 and xy same है तो हम इसको ऐड कर देंगे minus xy. Clear? When we have the polynomial with many terms to add, we write like term in one column and add the numerical coefficient. We'll take an example here. 5m square minus 6mn plus 8n square, 3m square plus 8mn minus 7n square and minus 9mn plus 5n square minus 6m square. So first we'll arrange the algebraic expression in columns such that like term should be one below each other. Means like term एक दूसरे के नीचे होनी चाहिए, तो इस तरीके से हम अरेंज कर लेंगे. Now start adding 8 plus 5 दोनों पॉजिटिव हैं and 7 is negative. So 8 plus 5 that is 13 minus 7 that is 6n square, ये हो जाएगा minus 7mn and that is 2m square. Clear? So this is how we'll add. Next is subtraction of algebraic expression. The steps to subtract algebraic expressions are given below. Arrange the term in the given expression in same order. Write the given expression in 2 rows in such the way that like terms occur one below other. Keeping the expressions to be subtracted in the second row, change the sign of each term in the lower row. Plus minus में change हो जाएगा minus plus में. With new sign on the term of the lower row, add column wise. We'll take an example here. We have to subtract this. So first we'll arrange the expression like like term should be below each other. इस तरीके से करेंगे. जो नंबर हमें जिस नंबर सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है उसको नीचे लिखेंगे. नाउ विल चेंज द साइन. हियर माइनस विल चेंज इनटू प्लस, प्लस माइनस में चेंज हो जाएगा इस तरीके से. नाउ विल सब्ट्रैक्ट. सो 8 प्लस ab स्क्वायर, 8ab स्क्वायर प्लस ab स्क्वायर दैट इज 9ab स्क्वायर. नाउ बोथ आर माइनस तो नेगेटिव आ जाएगा, माइनस 3a स्क्वायर b. नाउ 2b स्क्वायर एंड माइनस 2b स्क्वायर कैंसिल हो जाएगा तो 0 हो जाएगा. 7a स्क्वायर माइनस 3a स्क्वायर, 7 में से 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे 4a स्क्वायर. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज एक्सरसाइज 6.1. Which of the following expression are polynomial? So first expression, it has more than 2 terms, so it is an example of polynomial. Clear? So practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is multiplication of algebraic expression. Before taking up the product of algebraic expression, let us look at the two simple rule. First, the product of two factors with a like sign is positive and the product of two factors with unlike sign is negative. Like plus plus है, same है तो plus होगा, both are negative, same sign है, product positive होगा, unlike sign है तो product क्या होगा? Negative. Clear? Next, if x is a variable and m and n are positive integer, then x is to power m multiplied by x is to power n, that is equals to x is to power m plus n. Thus, x is to power multiplied by x is to power 4, that is equals to x is to power 6. Next is multiplication of monomial by monomial. So rule, product of two monomial, that is equals to product of their numerical coefficient multiplied by product of their variable part. Example लेते हैं. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 7a square b and breadth is 3b square. So both are monomial. एरिया हो जाएगा लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे न्यूमेरिकल पार्ट को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 7 इंटू 3, ए स्क्वायर इंटू ए, बी इंटू बी स्क्वायर, सो दैट इज इक्वल्स टू 21. सेम है तो पावर्स ऐड हो जाएंगी, ए क्यूब बी क्यूब. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल बाय अ मोनोमियल. सो रूल इज मल्टीप्लाई ईच टर्म ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल बाय द मोनोमियल using the distributive law. Like here, a multiply by b plus c. So a को पहले b से multiply करेंगे plus b into c. Clear? Now we'll take an example here. Multiply and verify the result when x equals to 1, y equals to 2 and z equals to minus 3. So here we have to multiply minus 4x square yz to 3x square minus y square z square minus x y cube. So what will do? माइनस 4x स्क्वायर वाई जेड को पहले 3x स्क्वायर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन माइनस का साइन, देन माइनस 4x स्क्वायर वाई जेड को y स्क्वायर जेड स्क्वायर से एंड देन x y क्यूब से. सो इस तरीके से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, ईच टर्म से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. सो विल गेट माइनस 12x4 वाई जेड प्लस जो भी हमारी आएंगी लाइक ये माइनस 12x स्क्वायर प्लस 2 वाई जेड प्लस 4x स्क्वायर y, पावर साइड हो जाएंगी 1 प्लस 2, इस तरीके से होगा. एंड प्रोडक्ट फाइनली हमारे पास क्या जाएगा, माइनस 12x4 वाई जेड प्लस 4x स्क्वायर वाई क्यूब जेड क्यूब प्लस 4x क्यूब वाई 4z. नाउ वी हैव टू वेरीफाई दिस. वेरिफिकेशन विल पुट x as 1, y as 2 एंड z as minus 3. सो विल पुट द वैल्यूज. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, माइनस 4x स्क्वायर वाई जेड में x y z की वैल्यू रखेंगे. सो विल गेट 24. Now what will do, 3x square minus y square z square minus x y cube. So again x y z की वैल्यू रखेंगे and we will get minus 41. Clear? Now हमारा एक्सप्रेशन क्या था, ये था, हमने इसकी वैल्यू जो आई है माइनस 4x स्क्वायर वाई जेड की दैट इज 24 एंड जो ब्रैकेट में था उसकी थी माइनस 41, मल्टीप्लाई किया माइनस 984. क्लियर? नाउ जो हमारा प्रोडक्ट आया है इसमें हम एक्स वाई जेड की वैल्यू रखेंगे, अगेन विल गेट माइनस 984. That means our multiplication is correct. Next is exercise 6.2. Find the product of the following pair of monomial. 3z स्क्वायर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है -3z से. सो न्यूमेरिकल पार्ट 3 into -3 and z square into z. So that is equals to -9 and z की पावर हो जाएगी 2 + 1 3. So that is our product. Clear? Practice all the questions with this exercise. Next is multiplication of a polynomial by a polynomial. We use the distributive law of multiplication over addition twice. That is, we multiply each term of one polynomial by the each term of the other polynomial. Also, we combine the like terms in the product. Example लेते हैं. Multiply 2pq plus 3q square by 3pq minus 2q square. So here, both are polynomial. सबसे पहले हम क्या करेंगे, 2pq को 3pq से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, मीन्स इन दोनों से मल्टीप्लाई करना है, एंड देन 3q स्क्वायर को इन दोनों से. सो सिंपली व्हाट विल डू, 2pq को पहले 3pq से, देन माइनस 2q स्क्वायर से, देन 3q स्क्वायर को फर्स्ट विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3pq एंड देन विथ माइनस 2q स्क्वायर एंड फाइंड द प्रोडक्ट. लाइक टर्म है तो हम उसको साथ में मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. सो प्रोडक्ट विल गेट 6p स्क्वायर q स्क्वायर प्लस 5pq to power 3. Why? Because this is pq and this is pq. Like term है, ये माइनस का ये प्लस का है. सो 9 minus 4 that is 5 and minus 6q is to power 4. Next is column method. We can also use this method to multiply. We can multiply the above writing the like terms of the partial product in the same column. So first we will multiply by 3pq and write the product here, and then multiply by minus 2q square. Like term को एक दूसरे के नीचे लिखेंगे. Then we'll find the product. So that is equal to 6p square q square plus 5pq is to power 3 minus 6q is to power 4. So we can use any of the method. Next is exercise 6.3. Multiply a plus 7 by b minus 5. So here we have to multiply a plus 7 by b minus 5. So what will do? First we multiply a with b minus 5 plus 7 को करेंगे b minus 5 से multiply. So a into b, ab minus 5a plus 7b and minus 35. That is our answer. You can also arrange them, like you can also write in order: minus 5a plus 7b plus ab minus 35. Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is division of algebraic expression. If x is a variable and m and n are positive integers such that m is greater than n, then x is to power m divided by x is to power n, that is equals to x is to power m minus n. First is division of a monomial by a monomial. So rules are: quotient of two monomial, that is equals to quotient of their numerical coefficient multiplied by the quotient of variable. We'll take an example here. Divide 15x is to power 7 by 3x is to power 4. So divide करना है, numerical coefficient को numerical coefficient से करेंगे. 15 divided by 3, that is 5. x is to power 7 and ये ऊपर आएगा तो subtract हो जाएगी power 7 minus 4, that is 3. So 5x cube, that is our answer. Clear? Next is division of polynomial by a monomial. Rules: for dividing a polynomial by a monomial, divide each term of the polynomial by a monomial. So we'll take an example here. Divide 32x to the power 4 y to the power 3 minus 16x to the power 3 y to the power 4 by minus 8x square y. So here, first we will divide each term of polynomial by a monomial. 32x to the power 4 y cube divided by minus 8x square y. So that is equals to minus 4x square y square. Then we will divide minus 16x cube y 4 by minus 8x square y. So we will get 2xy cube. Clear? So answer हो जाएगा minus 4x square y square plus 2xy cube. Next is division of a polynomial by a polynomial. We may proceed according to the steps given below. Arrange the term of the dividend and divisor in the descending order of their degree. Divide the first terms of the dividend by the first term of the divisor to obtain the first term of the quotient. Multiply all the terms of the divisor by the first term of the quotient and subtract the result from the dividend. Consider the remainder, if any, as the new dividend and proceed before. Repeat this process till we obtain the remainder, which is either 0 or a polynomial of degree less than that of divisor. So we will take an example here. Divide x cube plus 6x square plus 11x plus 6 by x plus 2. So like this we will write the number. It is already in descending order of their degree. So here first number is x cube. So we have to find a number with which we multiply x. So we will get x cube. So x को x square से multiply करेंगे. So we will write x square here. X square को x से करेंगे x cube. Then x square multiply by 2. So that is equals to plus 2x square. Now we will subtract, तो sign will change, minus minus. So 6x square ये cancel हो जाएगा, x cube plus और x cube minus का है, that will get cancelled, and 6x square minus 2x square, that is 4x square. Now we will note down the next number जो भी remaining है, plus 11x plus 6. Now 4x square, so multiply x with 4x, so we will get 4x square. So we will write 4x here, 4x square and 4x multiply by 2, that is 8x. Again subtract करेंगे, so we will get 3x plus 6. Now we multiply it by 3, so we will get 3x and 6. Sign change हो जाएंगे, 0 आ जाएगा quotient में. So our quotient is x square plus 4x plus 3 and remainder is 0. Clear? Next is exercise 6.4. Divide 36x yz square by 9xz. So 36 x y z square को we have to divide by minus 9xz. So 4 minus 1 x से x हो जाएगा. So minus में है, so we'll write minus 4yz. That is our quotient. Clear? Next is standard identities. An equality true for every value of the variable in it. It is called the identity. For example, the equation 5x minus 7, that is 18, is true for the certain value of x, that is 5 only. So it is not an identity. A plus 2 multiplied by a plus 3, that is equals to a square plus 5a plus 6 is an identity. It is true for each of the value of x. X की values चाहे 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, for that it will apply. There is no limit to identities, but we shall deal here with 4 special identities which are very useful in the mathematical and scientific work. These identities are obtained by multiplying a binomial by another binomial, same or different. So first is identity 1. Product of a plus b and a plus b, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can find out how we'll get that. So a plus b का whole square means a plus b multiply by a plus b. So multiply करेंगे a को पहले a plus b से, then b को a plus b से. Solve करेंगे, so we'll get a square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear? Next, identity 2. According to this, product of a minus b and a minus b, that is a square minus 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर. सो ए माइनस बी का होल स्क्वायर हो जाएगा बिकॉज ए माइनस बी मल्टीप्लाई बाय ए माइनस बी है. अगेन ए को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे ए माइनस बी से, देन माइनस बी मल्टीप्लाई बाय ए माइनस बी. सो विल गेट ए स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab प्लस बी स्क्वायर. नेक्स्ट आइडेंटिटी 3. The product of a plus b and a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So a plus b और a minus b को multiply करेंगे, so we'll get a square minus b square. That is our identity 3. Next is identity 4. Product of x plus a and x plus b, that is x square plus a plus b multiplied by x plus ab. So here x प्लस ए को मल्टीप्लाई करना है x प्लस बी से. फर्स्ट x को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे x प्लस बी से, देन a गॉट मल्टीप्लाई बाय x प्लस बी. सो विल गेट x स्क्वायर प्लस a प्लस b टू x प्लस ए बी. Identity 4 is the general form of the other 3 identity also. We can use this identities with the left hand side and right hand side interchange. Next is applying identities. Use of the identities give the simple easy method for many problems on multiplication of binomial and also of numbers. We will take an example here. Using the suitable identity, find the square or the products. So first is 2x plus 3y whole square. So we can use the identity a plus b का whole square, that is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here a is equals to 2x and b equals to 3y. So we'll use the identity. First a का square means 2x का square plus 2 into 2x into 3y plus b square की जगह हो गया 3y का square. So that is equals to 4x square plus 12xy plus 9y square. Clear? We see that the identity method require fewer steps than the direct method. Clear? We can write like 103 है, so we can write it 100 plus 3. Again a plus b का होल स्क्वायर यूज करके 100 plus 3 का होल स्क्वायर यूज करके we can find its value like this. 100 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 का स्क्वायर. सॉल्व करेंगे 10,000 plus 600 plus 9, that is 10,609. Next is exercise 6.5. Use the suitable identity to get each of the following product. X minus 4 multiplied by x minus 4. So that is x minus 4 का whole square. So identity you will use a minus b का whole square, that is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So here a, that is equals to x and b equals to 4. So now we'll use this identity. First x square minus 2 into x into 4 plus 4 का square. So that is equals to x square minus 4 into 2 8x plus 60. Clear? Practice all the questions of this exercise. Next is summary. Algebraic expressions are formed by combining variable and constant using the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. An expression containing one or more terms with non-zero coefficient and the variable having non-negative exponent is called the polynomial. The polynomial having the degree 1 and 2 is called the linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial respectively. The term having the same literal factors are called like terms and those having the different literal factors are called unlike terms. A symbol which has different values in the different situation is called the variable such as x, y, z, mn, etc. The symbol which has a fixed value in any situation is called a constant such as 1, 2, 3, minus 5, etc. Next is multiple choice questions. Take the correct option. Which of the following is a monomial? So, the first, it contains only one term, so it is the example monomial. So, A is the correct option here. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now we have to practice it.